Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. Today's question sounds like this: how to direct air to low and high notes. And I decided to call this video Breath Support and Everything You Need to Know About Breath Support. Why? Because the only difference between your breath support for low and high notes, the only difference is the force which you use. So how does breath support feel? It feels like an airbag. It feels like you're deflating an air mattress. It feels like the airbag in your lungs, and you are sitting on this airbag like It feels like an airbag. But it's easier to feel it than me to explain you how it feels. So how to feel it? There's an exercise. Do it please and try it. So the feeling which you have in your lungs and rib cage, this feeling is your breath support. You can also blow. This feeling in your rib cage and in your lungs is your breath support. That's the question. It's better to feel it. What can we do next? Change S with Z. It's the same, but now it's got a note in it. Now we're doing the same, but with a note. So now you understand how to sing a note with your breath support. And remember this feeling. Then you can try opening vowels, but try engaging this feeling of your breath support. First try M with the same feeling like it was in Z. Then with the same feeling in your ribcage, try then try with the same feeling in your ribcage. And you will understand that it feels like an airbag or like you're deflating air mattress, something else. Okay, what muscles are involved? Our intercostal muscles, the muscles of our rib cage, those muscles. And when you do this, when you imitate an engine like you can see that my belly is going forward. Imitate an engine. So those muscles, ribcage muscles, intercostal muscles, they work. And they force your belly to go forward. But when you sing low notes, the same muscles work, but with less force, like the same muscles, but with less force. But when we sing high notes, it's like you can see my belly. What can trigger those muscles? A bottle. If you forget to use your breath support when singing, a bottle can help you. It triggers the right muscles. It triggers this feeling when your belly goes a little bit further. But don't use too much force, because on low notes we don't need much force. Okay, just put the bottle here and try pushing forward a little bit. and try singing the whole song with this bottle. So on. So the bottle triggers your breath support muscles. Now let's talk about this question again. How to direct air to low and high notes. As I told you, there's no difference of direction of the air. The air comes from the bottom of your lungs to your vocal cords. That's the direction. The only difference is the force. When we sing our low notes, we don't need much force. When we sing in our head voice our high notes, it also doesn't need a lot of force. But we need more force when we sing in our mixed voice and high chest notes. Also, as I told you, when we sing in our head voice, we use only the edges of our vocal cords. When we sing in the chest voice, we use the full surface of our vocal cords. And also, there is a degree of vocal cord closure. It can be closed a little bit, it can be closed on the full surface, and can be closed in half. So this half closing is your mixed voice. So there is a degree. And the more chesty the high note is, the bigger the degree your cord's closure is, the bigger the degree of the closure is, the more air pressure you need. So the more chesty your voice is, on high notes I mean, the more chesty it is, the more air pressure you need. That's the difference. Thank you for watching. Write your questions. See you soon.